Hello, it's Friday, January the 10th. My name's Mike and this is the cover for Caravan's News of the Week. Starting off with Travel in Family, a review of the Loire Valley. Congratulations to Cakes and Ale. I've been awarded the Best Family Campsite Award from campsites.co.uk. Get out with the kids. Top 7 cool family lights, which we'll have a look at during the dark nights. My 2 little girls, destinations for the off-season for travelling. An essential caravan packing list from our bucket list lives is well worth having a look at. And on YouTube, Let's Go Somewhere, a review of Sweetheart Abbey in Scotland. And the Caravan Blogger, top YouTube channels of 2019, which is again well worth having a look at. And Deb Ludford, In Pursuit of a Dream, open-top bus tour of London is also out. Today, apparently, it's Rod Stewart's 75th birthday, and it's been 4 years since David Bowie passed, so RIP David Bowie is trending on Twitter. And also today is Peculiar People Day, and I'll leave you on that note. Have a great week, everyone. See you next week. Bye-bye.